Why code organization matters.
Organizing code into modules and packages makes projects easier to understand, maintain, and scale. Clear structure helps you find and fix bugs faster and encourages code reuse. As your project grows, good organization becomes essential for collaborating with others and keeping development productive.
Understanding modules and packages.
A module is a single file containing code, like functions or classes, focused on a specific purpose. A package is a directory of modules grouped together. Use modules to split code into logical units and packages to group related modules. This approach keeps code organized and avoids duplication.
How to split your code effectively.
When organizing code, split by functionality, not by type. For example, put all payment-related code in a payment module, combining functions and classes as needed. Avoid huge files and resist the urge to split code too early. Start simple and refactor into modules as your project grows.
Naming and structure best practices.
Use clear, descriptive names for modules and packages. Avoid generic names like utils or MISC. Structure your project with a logical folder hierarchy that reflects how users and developers will interact with the code. Keep modules focused and avoid circular dependencies between them.
Reusing and sharing modules.
Well-designed modules are easy to reuse in other projects. Make sure each module has a single responsibility and a clear interface. Documentation in each module helps others understand its purpose. By following these practices, you can share and maintain your code effectively in teams or open-source communities.